It's Monday. Yeah, thank you so much to everybody who joined our channel membership over the weekend. This week is going to be a bit of a mad week. There's loads going on. Tommy just arrived. He's going to be outside fixing up the outside of the barn walls so that Elsa can paint them. The solar panel guys will be back tomorrow on Tuesday. Me and Ferdy will be finishing framing out the control room and the booth. Ferdy's already started. There he is. And a bit of wiring, a bit of insulation, getting everything ready for Monday when the plasterer arrives. So we've got a lot to do this week. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and let's get on with it. Okay, so that is pretty much the walls all done. Ferdy is just doubling up the top plate there. Meanwhile, I am starting to think about some wiring to go in behind the walls here. Just a few bits of conduit. In the end, we'll have all the power in these rooms surface mounted inside wall conduits, similar to what I did in Berlin. But we need to just get from the fuse box, which is in that corner there, into these rooms with minimal holes in the wall, etc. And also in the live room, this first half of the live room, basically up to the door over there, this wall and this little bit here, that also needs power from the fuse box. The far end of the room, we already have a conduit under the floor which is going to power the other half of the room. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, Ferdy has started putting up the ceiling. I have been doing some wiring. I have run some conduit behind the wall here. This is one power conduit, one earth conduit for a nice big fat earth cable. There's one for lights, and then there's just a spare one extra. And then underneath that is one for Ethernet, and I've kept the Ethernet away from the power, 10 centimeters away, so that should be okay, just in case there's any interference from the Ethernet. I've run this pair of conduits from where the fuse box is going to be out into the live room, so they come in there. But now, very exciting, we're going to put up the roof of the booth. The booth roof. Don't drop it on me, Ferdy. This is very, very dirty, this beam. Now the big moment is upon us, where we're going to put in the big beam which is going to go through the center of the control room, and then we're going to have smaller beams coming in to join it on the sides. Okay, I just got back from the hardware store and the dump, and Ferdy has basically pretty much built the whole ceiling. I think he was filming it on his phone, so hopefully you just saw him doing it. I went to get some of these things, which even though this is not going to be really a load-bearing floor, I think it's good that we put these in just to make it really strong. We realised today is the day we have the most ever people working on this place. So there's me and Ferdy. Tommy is outside fixing the render on the wall, doing a beautiful job. Nice, man. Elsa is over there. She is trying to sort out this pile of bricks, which has been here for a long time. This is the pile of bricks from the gatehouse when we dismantled the brick oven that was in there like 3 years ago. So this has been here 3 years. She's trying to sort this out so that we can turn this into a bit of a car parking spot here. And on the roof we have the solar team. And wow, there's some cables being measured out here. That's nearly all of the mounting bars up on the roof. Okay, looking great. So I think that's 8 of us, but we also have through here Eric is wiring up what's going to be the library. Is it going okay? Yeah. Cool. Great. No, just filming. And then back downstairs, Ferdy and I are going to finish off this ceiling today. That's the challenge. All right. What about that there? Does it not need like one of these noggins to go across?
Oh yeah.
Great! It's pretty amazing, this whole kind of double lattice thing. As Ferdy said, it looks like Interstellar. That is layer 1. It's putting me in the mood for a mojito. Yeah, man. Okay. We're getting there. Man, we're so tired. We need another day at the sauna. Friday tomorrow, and plaster coming on Monday. We're not going to be totally finished, but there's plenty for him to start on. Yeah. All right. See you tomorrow. Do we have a solar panel on the roof? Is it possible? I think it's possible. There's solar panels up there on the scaffolding. Hey, There is a solar panel on the roof. Oh, okay. It's Friday morning. We are back in plasterboard land today. We have to try to get plasterboard up on there, up on that wall. 2 layers on both sides. I don't think we'll do it today, but we need to get the plasterboard up there. Which means coming through that door. Well, first of all, which means bringing it round with the tractor again for a 3rd or 4th time. And we need, I think, a 4-man team or 3-man, 1-woman team. Tommy on the top. Ferdy's volunteered to go on the middle, and me and Elsa down below, loading them off the tractor and up onto the deck. Ferdy is just finishing filling the gaps on this wall, which needs its 2nd coat of plasterboard, 2nd layer of plasterboard, which we will do maybe on Monday. Upstairs, I've done some wiring up on the deck. Can you see that little green thing there? That's where a plug socket's going to go. So I've done plug sockets on both sides, because the bar will be there in the end, and I don't know what will be here on this side, but something that will require some light or some power. And then the same on the other side. We have all the plasterboard up here, so we're going to go and have some lunch, and then we're going to plasterboard these walls as much as we can. Rooms just look so good. Kind of dark now, but really nice. Very nice feeling in here. Tired. Every week it's the same. That is, that's the end of Friday. Yeah, another very good week, but we are knackered. There's no 2 ways about it. We are totally pooped. Yeah, keep thinking it's nearly there, and it kind of is nearly there, but it's also a long way from being finished. Although on Monday the plasterer comes. Jamie is coming from England, an old friend. He's going to help us out. We need the best of British plastering style. We have English plaster from Poland. We have an English plasterer. It's going to give this place the final layer of love that it deserves. Just 2mm of multi-finish. Yeah, imported from Poland. But still cheaper than buying it in Sweden. So there, go figure. And you can't get it in Sweden anyway. What am I talking about? Thank you very much for watching. I know I look knackered, but yeah, doing my best to stay alive. Thank you very much for supporting our channel. It really means a lot to us. Yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already, and as soon as I hang up the phone on this, I'm gonna film the special behind the scenes members video, which is available tonight. I will quickly edit it and then I'll put it up on our channel for members only. So if you want to see those Friday night specials, then you can join our channel membership program. Yeah, click the join button below and all will be revealed. But until next time, lots of love, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye.